Hello everyone, let's try to solve this particular question from electrochemistry. Okay, so this is the question which came in JEE in 2019, 8th April. Okay, so here they are asking we need to calculate the standard potential in volts of the cell in which of the following reactions takes place. So for this reaction, we need to find out the standard cell potential. Okay, so they have given this information: electrode potentials of this Ag plus and Ag, and Fe2 plus is getting uh, reduced to Fe and all. So first, how to approach this question? Mostly one common mistake they'll do to add the electrode potentials directly. I'll tell you while solving the question where you'll probably make a mistake. Okay, so let's try to write the equation, and we need a cell potential for this particular equation. So after writing these equations, we need to do some mathematical manipulations in order to get this particular equation. Okay, so let's write it: Ag plus getting converted to Ag, and here they have given cell potential. Let me write it as E naught 1 for simplicity. Okay, for simple calculation. And here Fe2 plus, by gaining it 2 electrons, it's getting converted to Fe, and here the cell potential E naught 2 as Y volts, and here again this Fe3 plus, by gaining 3 electrons it's getting converts to Fe, and its electrode potential is, let's say, E3, which is Z volts. Now just see, here Fe2 plus and Ag plus is there on the left side. So you need Fe2 plus and Ag plus on the left side. So you think like just add these two equations. And if you add these two equations, we will get on the left side Fe2 plus and Ag plus. That's fine. But we need Fe3 plus on the right side. So but here it is there on the left side. So we need to reverse this particular equation. So let me write it. So just try to reverse this equation. Okay, when you do it, we'll get like this Fe is getting oxidized, converting into Fe3 plus, and it's giving 3 electrons. So this is the reductive potential. What is the oxidative potential? Like it is just simply just change the sign. Okay, let's keep it as like this, and it will be minus Z volts. So now we will get it just marked as like 1, 2, and this is the third equation. Just add all these three. Add 1 plus 2 plus 3. If you add these three equations, you obviously get this particular desired equation. So what you'll get, should I write all the equation? No need, right? You can able to easily understand. Yeah, I hope you can understand this. Ag plus, and from the second equation we will get Fe2 plus, and if you take care of these electrons, here on the right side it will become 3 electrons, and here on the left side, on the right, on the left side you have these 3 electrons, and on the right side we have 3 electrons, like it will get cancelled out anyway. And here you will get Ag plus, here you will get Fe3 plus. So we have got the desired, right? I have just written the thing. So you can so yeah, this is our desired equation. You can simply write it as the given equation: Ag plus, it is getting converted to Ag and Fe3 plus. Fine. So now what we can do is that, here one common mistake is that you will simply add it, like here we have added these three, so electrode potential of this thing will be X plus Y minus Z. This is the wrong answer. Obviously we need to take care of electrons also. In case of electron, while adding this electrode potentials, we are not taking care of that thing, right? So here we need to take care of the electrons also. So first we need to find out delta G naught. Let's try to find out for each one. You know this basic formula: delta G naught gives free energy is equals to minus NF E naught cell, right? So basically let's try to find out for this particular reaction, delta G naught 1 is equals to how many electrons being exchanged? Only 1. So N is equals to 1, and just keep F as it is only, and E naught cell it is X. So we have got delta G1 naught is a minus of X. Let's try to find out the same thing for this delta G naught 2, which is how many electrons being exchanged? 2. So here N is equals to 2, here 2 F Y, And let's try to find out delta G naught 3 for this thing. And it will be, no need to keep a dash over here. Yeah, it will be how many electrons being exchanged? 3 minus 3 F, and here the oxidative potential is minus Z. So here it will be 3 FZ. Okay, so we have got these. Now this is an additive, like this Gibbs free energy is additive property. Like now what you'll say, delta G naught cell for this particular reaction is equals to delta G naught 1 plus delta G naught 2 plus delta G naught 3, as we have got the desired equation by adding all the three equation. That's why we are adding the delta G naught also. So what you'll get over here, delta G naught is minus XF, you can say, plus this is minus 2YF, this will be plus 3ZF. So here what is delta G naught cell for this particular thing? Let me write it with different color. And here we need, here NF E naught cell, this is what we need over here. And n, how many electrons being exchanged? It is just one. Here n is equals to 1, right? So n will be 1 minus F E naught cell is equals to, here if you take F common, it will be minus X minus 2Y plus 3Z. And anyway ff will get cancelled out, and just take this negative sign over here, and you'll get the E naught cell as x plus 2y minus 3z. So this is our desired answer, not this one. We can't add the electrode potentials directly. Okay, so as it is a intensive property, like in case of Gibbs free energy, it is an additive property, it is an extensive property, we can add this. And it will take care of the electrons also. It's not like he not like here, we are not even talking about the electron exchange, but here in this formula you can see we are taking care of the electrons, how many being exchanged. That's how you need to think in this way. Whatever the question comes, you need to solve this way. Okay, so one more question is there, you just try it on your own. Yeah, this question simple, based on that thing only. Whatever way I have told, like you need to take, you need to calculate through this formula, minus NFE not cell. We can't directly add this things. Okay, that's how. Like just try to take a screenshot and solve it, and let me know the answer in the comment section. Okay, fine. So that is how, like, we will solve few of the questions, and few are there, like this question also easy question only. If you want, you can just try it out. If you want, you can just try it out. Okay, fine. So yeah, I hope you have understood. This is one type of question, people, most of the people might get confused. And yeah, and what I want to say, yeah, I'm trying to cover the previous year questions of JE and also NEET and also JE advanced. Okay, and I've already created few videos, you can watch those. And at the same time, one more thing, I have created one series which is reagent series. Okay, you can just uh, check out that particular thing, because it really helps you a lot. The importance of reagents in organic chemistry, so it helps you overall in organic chemistry. So yeah, that's it for this particular video. Just take care, and bye.